Hey, welcome back to SideHustleX. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make $100 a day using ChatGPT, step by step. No experience, no paid tools, just your laptop, internet, and AI. Ready? Let's jump in. First, we need to figure out what people are already paying for. Go to Fiverr or Upwork and search for blog writing, YouTube scripts, or Instagram captions. You'll see thousands of freelancers charging $20 to $150 for simple writing jobs. And here's the secret: ChatGPT can do most of the heavy lifting for you. If you can deliver the same result faster and cheaper, that's your opportunity. Next, create your Fiverr account. Don't overthink it. Just choose a simple niche. For example, I will write SEO blog posts using ChatGPT. Add a clean description, upload a few sample images, and set your starting price between $15 and $25. Once your gig is live, Fiverr will start showing it to real buyers. And by the way, I've dropped my Fiverr sign-up link below if you haven't created one yet. Now here's where the magic happens. When a client sends you an order, open ChatGPT and type. Write a 1,000-word article about AI in a friendly, SEO-optimized tone. Boom. You'll get a ready-to-use draft in seconds. Polish it using Grammarly or Quillbot to fix grammar and improve flow, then send it to your client. You've just delivered professional content in minutes. That's how most AI freelancers get their first 5-star reviews fast. Once you've done a few jobs and built some reviews, raise your prices. Add gig extras like plus 1,000 words, include SEO optimization, or add a social media caption. Just two $50 gigs per day equals $100 daily. And with ChatGPT handling most of the work, it's totally possible. Want to take it further? You can also use ChatGPT to create digital products like ebooks, Notion templates, or social media packs. Sell them on Gumroad or Etsy and earn passive income while you sleep. AI isn't replacing creators, it's empowering smart ones. And that's how you can make $100 a day using ChatGPT, even if you're starting from zero. All the tools I mentioned are linked below. If you got value from this, drop a money with wings in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly side hustles and AI income tips. This is SideHustleX, turning AI into income.
So there you go, 5 legit apps that pay you daily in 2025. If you want to see my full list of over 20 money-making apps, check the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more weekly side hustle ideas. And tell me in the comments, which app will you try first?